What's up, GOAT fam? It's your boy, Anthony GOAT, back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing something a little different. Today we sort of like an unboxing slash shoe cleaning video, you feel me? For all the sneakerheads out there, or people who just like clean sneakers, whatever you want to call it. I ordered this about a couple months ago, never used it, so let's get straight into it. Reshoevn8r, cut the check if you see this video. I ordered this. I kept seeing the ads on Instagram, boom, boom, boom. He's talking about, you know what I'm saying, get your shoes real clean, whoopty, whoopty, whoop. So I ordered it, like, I never used it, so let's unbox it and see if it get the shoes clean. Let's get straight to it. That's how it look when you open it up. You got your towel. Boom. Got your Reshoevn8r cleaning solution, soft bristle brush, medium bristle brush, stiff bristle brush. Boom. And that's it. Give me. Black people don't read instructions, we do it our own way. Your cleaning solution. I'll take him out. This is your soft bristle brush, that's how it look out the package. This is your medium bristle brush. Boom. And this is a stiff, extra hard, but you know. Boom. My Jordan wood grade 11s and my maroon 6s. Neither of these shoes like super dirty. Well, these kind of really dirty, but my 11s, you feel me? I had a pumpkin video I never posted. I got pumpkin on the shoes, so yeah, these need to be clean. You can see the dirt. Let me show y'all the dirt. You see, I got pumpkin all over my shoes. Maroons. You can see they got dirt all on the edge of the shoe. Freaking stuff right there, dirt right there. Dirt right there. So yeah, let's see if Reshoevn8r reshoevenate my shoes. First, you want to get some water. You want to pour a little bit of your solution in there, put a couple drops in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good luck. Pumpkin splattered Jordan 11s, you feel me? Always want to remove your laces. Always want to remove them boys first. This your shoes. First, we're gonna take our medium bristle brush. For the rubber parts and the sole, you're gonna use your medium brush. Mix that good solution around in there. Gonna get to work. All soaked up. I ain't gonna lie, a lot of this stuff coming off. It's working pretty good. I'm not gonna cap it. I'm gonna take your soft brush for the suede and all, you know, delicate materials. You want to use your soft brush. Get that up in there. Then you're gonna take your towel that come in your kit and you're gonna dry it off. Wipe it down. All right, we done with the 11s. Now we're gonna go into the 6s. Cause we all know these was more dirty. So you wanna take your laces out. You're gonna take a little more work. So we better light. Y'all tag Ayo Kobe, tell him bring my ring light back. Yeah, that's why I'm using natural light. Boom. So you know what? Off the rip. So get your medium brush. Come on, ripping up. Go crazy, go stupid. Bro. Show y'all the results at the end once everything dries off. Alright, boom. Just these boys out here to dry. We gonna come back and see what's cracking with them. Alright, now while your shoes are drying, you want to take your laces, you want to get some hot water, fill that up. Fill your bowl up with some hot water. Then you want to get some bleach. Not too much. Them boys are enough. My old shoe cleaning toothbrush. Move them boys around in there. Lace noodle soup. I'm sitting there about 15 minutes. When I come back, I'll be showing y'all the final result. Oh. All right, here we have the final product. So y'all, them boys looking clean, no cap. They're still kind of wet, right? Kind of wet, like where the lace is at. But other than that, if you see them. You dig? Gotta have a pair of Crocs. Please. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Overall, I would rate this product about a 9.5 out of 10. You know, it's real good. So y'all go copy y'all some. I'm not getting paid for this, so this free promotion. But yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, more unboxing videos, sneaker videos, whatever, vlogs, I got a lot of stuff coming. Just make sure you subscribe, like, comment, tune in. Thank you. You owe me, I'ma go, you a sheep, why you clone?